Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel and I'm excited to share with you this special video. Of course, Merry Christmas everyone! And I wanted to separate this because all my hubby said this, open this in a separate video. So I'm doing this right now and I'm very excited. I literally just woke up or partially woke up excited to do a couple of things and then just put on some eyeliner, put on just a kind of a fresh face for you guys. But like I said, I'm still in my jammies, so hopefully that's fine with you guys. So let's get into this. Now, I was shocked because it's in a paper bag. It's in a paper bag, in a box, everything. So I don't know what's in here. I don't know where this came from. I mean, where he bought it, where he got it, because he will tell me all the details, and he said that I will find out when I open the box. So, this could be anything, but I'm assuming one specific thing because that's what I've always been asking for. Well, those kind of styles, and of course, it's bags. So I'm assuming it's a bag, and I think it is. So let's get into it. So it came in this, in a paper bag, in a box. So let's get into it. So I literally just pulled this out of the Christmas tree. Okay, so it's in a big box. As you can see, it says here personal tailor, and there's a few dents on the box. So I'm assuming, I don't know if it's vintage, is it pre-loved? I don't know, but it's fine. This one, like I said, I don't know. Let's just get into it. I just want this to be about what's inside and what I'm going to talk about. The reason, whatever it is, I always have a reason to why I like something. So, okay, this is kind of okay. This is really because it's in a beautiful, packaging. Okay, so okay, I'm assuming I already know what it is. So it came like this. It's huge. Okay, and I'm assuming it came in the box like this. So here it is. Okay. Oh, okay. I'm really giddy. So in here, I can't believe you got me this. Is oh my gosh. It is the crocodile in white, in silver hardware, matte. I think this is matte. So this is a crocodile in white, and it's in palladium hardware or silver hardware, and it looks gorgeous. And honestly, so this is in return, okay? Because I've been mentioning to you guys that I've been looking for a specific colored bag in Cellier. So this one is the relaxed form, and this is evidently how usual Birkins actually look like. But this one, of course, this is just a leather dupe or a leather copy, but we'll see. Because so this is size 30. I'm going to remove everything already, which is crazy. She is amazing. I mean, this is like perfect. This is my white Christmas. Seriously. Okay. So, so I'm taking it all off carefully. Let's give this a moment. So it has a protector in the hardware, and so here is the bag that my hubby surprised me. That seriously, okay, him. Okay, there is a, of course, filler. Just put there, and surprisingly, well, not really for me, is it has straps. Just because this is a dupe. Okay, so well, it's technically inspired, so it's not entirely the same one because, of course, the same one is different, doesn't have a long strap, but this one does. And so here is the lock, and then here is the clochette that comes with. Like, there's also a small. Oh, this is for the strap, and this is for the clochette that I will be assembling, but for now, not really. And I'll be assembling the strap. So the strap is very thick. Um, it's this kind of like material. I guess it's not as good. I for me I don't think it's as good of a material, but this one is so beautiful. It's so soft and buttery, and I can't believe it. It's like the perfect bag. Perfect white bag that's probably gonna replace my old one, but I still use that one. So I know where he got this. I mean, from the one that he chose, because there's only one I add to cart in a specific shop that's like this. So I know where he got this, and honestly, I'm so happy because I get to see the quality of what that shop has to offer, and I'm not disappointed because first off, when I wear my Birkins, I barely use the straps already, but it's like a perfect addition to this bag because I don't want something that's so hard to bring, and I want at least to make sure that I have just in case strap. So it has the side strap holes. So there's 4 feet, the same as the Birkin. This beautiful piece of art is not, of course, the same as the Birkin. I'll probably find a twilly for this. Not hopefully I get a white one. It's so beautiful. It's so soft. The look of it is so nice, and it's like the perfect white. It's and then it's in palladium harder. Like I could not fault it. It's the perfect size, 30, because I usually do use a 30. Now, this one has really some weight to it compared to my other one, which is I didn't prep it because I didn't know it was this. I didn't know he got me this specific one because like I said, I told him that here's my wish list, and there's some others also that are not bags, and you decide what you want to surprise me with. But it needed to be a surprise. Pairing a white bag, it's kind of easy. It's kind of the basic because like I said, I've been talking about it constantly that I always wear white bags. And that's the thing. Wearing a white bag is so easy, you can put it with anything, but you have to also be careful with color transfer. Now I don't know with this one if you do color transfer because I do wear this with jeans. I can wear this with jeans, I can wear this with a dress, I can wear this with shorts. On vacation, there's a lot, especially in Palladium hardware, it's that easy. So having it in my collection is like the best because it is such a nice, soft, chill bag that even up with its design, it kind of adds a little bit of interest to the style of the bag. So having it in a croc design will look nice, but since it's white, it's nice and clean, so you don't evidently see any of the like being making it too much. So I think like that's a great piece to it, and that's why I chose this kind of shade and color. So I'm so happy with it. This one is a beautiful soft leather. Now I think this is probably in comparison to my box leather. My box leather is really structured. So I think that one is a different comparison to this. But for a design for a Birkin style bag, I prefer it a more relaxed form, but with one specific color, I really wanted to get it in structured, so that's fine with me. But yeah, this is such a beautiful baby. There's nothing wrong of getting a white bag. It's like the easiest thing for you to get because it's easy to match with everything, even on special occasions. And this one, I can even bring this in the evening. It's not really a problem. And yeah, a nice piece. So I hope you like this video. I will try to link down below any of the other information where you can get a bag like this. And of course, it's a beautiful time for you guys to get it right now. Maybe because it's much more affordable, because there are a couple of sales right now that are insane. And I will of course link them down below. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe down below. I really like sharing about different advices, different styles, different kind of ways or where you could buy things or where you could save a bit more money. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.